this thing. We're installing this front lip. Beautiful APR front lip. Alright, so to take off the wing, I know this from pure knowledge, we didn't look this up. One here, one there, same thing vice versa. And then, gotta pop this cap off over here, and should reveal another nut. And that should take it off, theoretically. Oh, look at that, no toolness, he is the tool.
It's broken.
Oh, there's three clips.
But it was on there pretty well.
Yeah, because the other, you want to pry off the other one? I'll start loosening this side. Oh, I'm so glad they used 10mm for all of them. Just in case we might have to reuse the same hardware. We didn't really.
Oh, it came apart.
Oh, the house ready? All right, well let's just throw those away then.
Yeah, trash them.
Don't hate 'em. This guy's gonna get so much downforce on this thing. The world's gonna spin the other way around. So yeah, I'll loosen one side up, you hold that end. And actually, now that I think about it, we should have done these first, and then the one at the top. That would have, yeah, we weren't thinking.
No, we were showing the camera not.
We were showing, yeah, what not to do.
Some people say without an Evo, it's like looking at a guy without no eyebrows.
It's the Lancer.
Yeah.
This makes an Evo, bro.
Now it's a Lancer.
It's a Lancer, dude.
How many other Lancers do you see with an Evo wing, though?
You got this repainted?
This, yeah.
It's good.
Because it was all chipped up here, I guess, from just, you know.
Oh yeah.
all this was all
From,
chipped
like,
up,
the
yeah.
sun fade, I think.
Yeah. And then the trunk, I don't know what happened with the trunk, but the trunk is pretty scratched up from the time. I don't know why. It was almost scratched in front of the car. This is the first time you see your car wing this like this? No, I've taken off the wing before.
Wow.
Before it was like black and it was
There you go.
Yeah,
10mm bolts.
trash can, you know where.
Oh, yeah. No, actually, just donate it to Germany, then.
Donate to Germany.
So it looks like this is the mounting panel. It's carbon fiber. Beautiful. And they do also give you a nice little rubber seal, little gasket. Oh my gosh. He's ruining it. Look at that.
Look at that.
No drilling necessary. You use the already existing
That's where your fingerprints
wing holes. As I said, we are installing APR wing. Here it is. The wingless look. I don't know why it's on camera though. It looks really good without a wing. What do you think?
Honestly, not too bad.
Not too bad, right?
Not too bad.
Anyways, have here, it's like the mounting bracket. It's carbon fiber, very nice. And then they give us this little rubber seal here. And the good news is we don't have to drill any holes. It's all the existing holes. So it's a direct bolt on. Assemble that. The brackets here, labeled. And then these are the bits that go at the end on either side of the wing. So pretty straightforward.
Dude, it should be.
Focus. Here, you watching this? You watching this? I'm only gonna do this one time, so watch. Pick up your eyes, align these things. See them? See them? Nice and aligned. Watch this. Boom. Look at that. Actually, we're missing. Do I have it?
No. What are we missing?
Nope, I got it. You're good.
You've been fired.
So in the hardware, we get two of these. These two are what go at the end. They're the exposed Allen wrenches. And APR, annual percentage rate, was nice enough to give us Allen wrenches. So we'll go ahead and start there. Keep going. Do it by hand. By hand. You know, you don't want to over tighten anything here. Thank you, sir. There you go. You start to feel gets a little tighter there, and then we'll grab our bracket. Where's our bracket?
What?
We lost our bracket. Is it in here? There it is. There's our bracket. So one of them was marked with a sticker. Took that off. But they do give you 2 threads. It's a double thread, and pretty much put it. Actually, you can kind of see they use these brackets for other manufacturers. I could probably use this bracket on my STI. Now that I think about it.
Yes, sir.
But this one's for the Evo, and you basically line it up, the threads, with. Oh, see? They don't fit. So what we have to do is take off this one. I think Ty put this one on. It's okay, we'll fire him later. This is all it is, just double-sided thread. Just slip this boy in here. Just hand tight. Oh, actually, you know what? I didn't even notice that. They do have Allen. We can tighten these things down. Oh, we didn't do that with the other side. It's okay. It's a good thing we got the gun. There we go. Oh yeah, it's way better. Better. We can slip this in here. Bam! Right there. Okay. We'll lift up the trunk here, slowly grabbing the bracket. And you'll notice here the exposed threads. Somebody wants to. Actually, I got it. Never mind. Got a washer right here. Now this is another 10 mil. I'm glad APR didn't change their measurements. They didn't use a 10.5. Then grab this thing. A couple of ugga-duggas. There you go. There we go. We'll probably tighten that by hand later because, you know, you don't want to overdo it. Get this out the way. We'll close up the trunk. There it is. APR wing installed. It's one of those. It's a Bluetooth wing. Go ahead, my friend. It's very heavy. Careful.
Oh.
Very heavy.
Ton, man. Oh, buddy.
How many fucking guys does it take to install?
We don't have the.
Grab these.
I think that's supposed to be on the outside.
On the
Let's
outside?
start with this one first. This way or this way?
I think it's supposed to be
I
inside.
think it's this way.
I think pretty sure it's that one.
Go ahead, drop it down, Ty.
Wait, hold
Inside
on.
or outside?
I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be
Inside.
outside.
Oh, outside?
What's it
Think
gonna be,
so.
man? You giving me a little left?
Oh, here you go.
Let's see, was it outside or inside? Let's place our bets.
Outside.
Outside?
How the hell? The hell do I make? Oh, okay.
Nice job. Nice, Eric. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
More. There you go.
Can I let go now?
Sorry, I just want to say on my hole.
This one actually.
How's this look?
From this side.
Oh, this actually looks nice as hell, dude. I can't believe I ever doubted you.
There you go.
Really outdid myself.
Those are good there. Let me grab the other ones. Now I guess this will determine.
There's 2 holes here. There's only 4 of these, right?
There's only 4.
That's interesting. Because there's a elongated hole here, and then there's just a normal hole.
Okay.
Kind of curious how that works.
I'm on my way. Hold on, man.
I'm hangry. Oh,
That's fine. Let's just let it hold in place. Okay.
I let go. May I let go?
Yeah, you can let go slowly.
I would say hold it from this side.
You wanna hold it from
with
that?
like a finger.
How do you want to adjust it though?
I guess how Ty got it. I think that's.
Where Ty has it?
Yeah. Look at that.
The question is,
Would it be
there's
that
2
side? I'm
holes.
pretty sure it's the one to the left.
Lower down a little bit, Ty. More. Too much. There you go. There.
Yeah, I guess so.
And I'll do the same one. Should already be at that level. Boom. Raise your. There you go. Perfect.
Like that, right?
That's a good one, and also just make sure you can open your trunk.
I'm sure
You don't want if you open your trunk, it's gonna smash your back window.
Yeah, that's
There you go.
It's definitely a money pit.
Let go now?
You guys can let go, yeah. You have to tighten it from both ways, but yeah. Before we do tighten it, Diego, what do you think? Last call.
I think so. It looks flush. Like this.
Pretty good. So what do you
Yeah.
think? What's the verdict?
That's pretty solid.
Minty?
Minty fresh.
Should we try? No, I think raising it up a little bit more would look kind of.
It look a little.
Yeah, I know. Because it's still because it either could go up one or down one, and I think honestly that's right.
Look at it from afar, dude.
Should we try seeing it a little bit higher? Or no?
Look at all
You want to go higher?
I'd say that. Just look at all your angles.
No, I think it's perfect. I think it's fine like that.
Honestly, yeah. I think,
Yeah, I think it's fine
good
like that. No, that's good like that. I mean, I guess it's supposed to angle it down, right? Down force.
Nice.
This shit was gas.
Able to adjust it here. Shoot, that was this angle. Different slots here to adjust.